What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. My name is Ben. Yeah, we're not doing too much today. It's really nice out. It's not as cold as it's been the last few days. I think we're gonna hang out with the guys, maybe like Thomas, Nick, and Danny, who you guys will meet soon. Probably wash up Thomas's E36 M3. There's some stuff with the 1M that you see behind me. There's gonna be a lot going on today, but at the same time, not really all that much. Oh, look at this. Here comes Thomas. Good morning.
Always does. What's up?
What's up? How are we?
Good, alright.
Good. How's your drive down?
Fast.
Really?
Yeah.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Yo, Thomas, nice outfit.
Thanks, buddy.
All right, so Nick, where are we right now?
We're in New Canaan.
Doing what?
We're gonna get some fried chicken at this place called New Canaan Chicken. It's the best shit around, dog.
Is it the best chicken?
Best chicken around.
Where is this place?
New Canaan. It's like, yeah.
Oh, New Canaan? Thanks.
OD has you. Oh shit.
Oh, it's packed in here today. Shit.
Shit.
All right, guys, back at the car. Forgot my wallet. A little bit of a rush right now. Not really, but yeah, we're in New Canaan right now. Got the 1M out here. Got Danny's E36. This nasty new diffuser. This car's fire. Thomas's E36. We just cleaned that up this morning. But yeah, we're just gonna eat some lunch. Maybe we'll go do a photo shoot / video shoot with the 1M, and then yeah, we'll see where the day takes us. Nah, fuck crossing the street. Jaywalk is it's illegal.
Extremely legal.
Like more illegal than like murder, I think.
Owning a BMW.
No, that's a whole.
Oh, by the way. That's gonna catch me fucking eating shit.
Like when you're going through the gears.
Really not. So you barely just move your foot.
No, you barely touch the clutch when you shift your gears. Like it's literally like this much traffic.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Yeah, right, man. It's tough. This thing's like a little go-kart though. Hello! Alright, so we're just sitting here laughing at Thomas, kind of
Fiddling with his
doing
phone.
fuck all,
He's
basically.
doing absolutely fuck all.
Like literal fuck all. Alright, so Thomas, you walk him through what a good photo shoot consists
All
of.
right. So you always want to get your normal 3/4 shots, right?
Okay.
So like right here, and then like front on, and then some side shots. Unfortunately, we have this pillar right here, so we can't do the side shots.
Shit's ugly.
But you know, we'll probably turn the car around, get some rear shots. But as of right now, just getting basic shots, and you go in, do details like wheels, interior, things like that. The car's actually wet right now, so detail shots look really good. But yeah, so
Legitness.
let's do it.
All right, so we asked Thomas, we gotta ask you now, what goes into a good photo shoot?
I have no idea.
No clue?
I have no idea.
It just, you gotta go with the flow, right?
Just go with the flow.
Exactly. No, I don't think you guys got the memo of real swagger.
I'm dripping.
Yeah, just absolutely dripping.
That's on the phone. That's what his GoPro looks like.
Wait. Danny,
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah.
Sweating?
Yeah.
I can't do it.
You know what, Nick? Fine. I will get out of your way. That's hilarious.
You run shit in that one. And your car looks fine. Like it looks normal. What's going on, guys? Kraz here.
Yo, what's going on, guys?
Uh-oh. Are we about to get towed? Look at one E36 M3, two E36 M3. What are the chances?
Big snout.
All right, here we go. Let's hear a start. Let's hear a start up.
Start up?
Yeah.
OEM exhaust, OEM everything actually. 10 miles on the clock.
What do you think? Honest opinions.
Fucking piece of shit. I hate this car. Beyond anything else.
All right. Now let's hear the blue car. Yeah, she quiet. You know, a lot of people ask me, what's it like being Ben Galt's personal photographer? And I'll be honest, nobody's ever asked me that. All right, let's go. All right, everyone, this is the roller process. So Nick and I are in the back of the Macan, and you just kind of adjust your camera settings accordingly and just have them follow you. Make sure to match your speeds. And so listen to that blowout valve. Nuts. All right, Danny, slow down, slow down.
Slow down, Danny, slow down.
Uh-oh. And that, boys and girls, is what happens when it's wet out. As you can see, conditions aren't too nice here.
A little nice.
All of our gear's a little bit wet, you know, but it does sound good. Oh man. But yeah, I've never taken rainy rollers before, so I mean, we'll see how these come out. But how do you rate rainy rollers?
I'm gonna say solid -2 out of 10.
Yeah, these were pretty shitty, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you can't even get right here without the camera getting wet. We had to wipe the lens 24/7, so. Yep, that concludes our photo shoot with the 1M.
You a little donut out of here?
Alright, yeah.
Should we?
Sure, okay.
And that's how we do that.
That's how you do a donut.
I didn't cyclone that one. I almost did.
Wow.
Have you seen a cock bigger than that? No shot. Sunday night. How are we, Danny? Still dripped?
Dude, it's the first time that he's actually not in the cars getting set up. He's actually the driver this time.
Oh,
First time for everything.
yeah. You know, But
You know, this is the time when we're actually shooting like gentlemen's cars, like real cars.
yeah, you know, I drive pieces of shit.
Yeah, they're all automatic and fucking.
Exactly, you know, this is like a real driver's car. This is like what actually matters, guys. Right here.
Hydraulic steering.
No power steering. Fuck that shit.
No power steering. That's
We don't need that stuff. All right, so Buffalo Wild Wings just took what, like 3 hours, I would say, right? Like,
holy shit, the food was cold.
yeah, that was like,
Fuck.
that was really. I was excited to eat dinner, and that kind of ruined it for me.
And GTRs are already here. That's how long it took.
Yeah, literally.
You gotta keep that a secret though.
yeah, no.
Ben's.
Yeah, it has been a day.
Doing more rollers like that, which is illegal, just something's bad.
Yeah, facts.
Something bad has happened every point in the day.
Yeah, that's kind of true, low key. What's up? You can get in if you want. Psych, bitch. That would have been brutal for you.
You got seat warmers in the rear.
Oh yeah, it's bougie.
It's top spec.
Yeah.
And if we have time, we can do still.
Alright, Danny really doesn't want to do rollers.
Why?
I really just want to go home. Like, I desperately want to go home.
Danny, can we just do it for like 10 minutes?
Dude, I just have such a bad feeling that something bad's gonna happen.
Another fun there. What's up? I think we're wrapping up. So, Ben, do you want to just pull over so I can get this shit out of my trunk?
Yeah. Zone.
What? Would you just run over? You went
No, that's just, it rubs. It rubs it full up.
You just crabbed.
I didn't. I crab walked. Yes. It crab walks. Stock. Off the
You
dig.
done diddly crabbed.
Yes. That's how we do.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. We're keeping it PG
Child
tonight.
appropriate.
Got it.